Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. We are in my house, in my guest room, on my papasan chair. And it's super comfy in case you didn't know, so buy a papasan chair. But today we are going to be doing a DIY pegboard. It is something that I really wanted for my space in my garage because I'm doing a garage makeover and I already cleaned it so you can see that video. And now I'm working on a few DIYs for the space. And then I'll show you the garage makeover. But that's coming soon. So be on the lookout for that. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see that. And hit the notification bell so you get like a notification when the video comes up. So I completely forgot to end this video, but I'm gonna do it now. Thank you guys for watching this video. Here is the pegboard behind me and it looks amazing. So go ahead and like this video if you liked the video content and subscribe so you guys can see more content. For sure you're gonna wanna see my garage makeover. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.